Sauce on me. I got drip. I got flood the wrist. It's homage to the
Check. I'm just checking for the people in the back. Okay, for the people in the back. All right, so it's a little low. Let me get my chair so I can sit down. So, always got to be seated when we come here. First of all, I just want y'all to know every time I am seated and I'm coming to talk to y'all, I'm basically about to tell y'all the good news. So prepare this. Think this as my, armor of good news, because every time I'm up in here in uniform, it's about to be a thing. So let me close my bathroom real quick. It ain't dirty or nothing. I just got to close it. I want to close it. So this is my humble abode, my four corners of the world. All right. This is where I sleep, breathe, eat, all the things in between. But that is not why you here. That's not what you saw, and that's not what you're here for. So let's talk about it. If this is my first time you're seeing me on these YouTube streets, in these YouTube areas, my name is Aneke here at Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuff and budgeting, paying off our debt, and mind our business. Not necessarily in them four orders, but baby, it's something we love to do. So if that is you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Join the family, like the video, and leave your 2 cents, which is your comment, down below. I'm sweating like a stripper in church, okay? Come on. All right. The good news. If you read the title, then you already know what's going on here, okay? Your girl is debt free. Bow. Debt free. Bow. Bow. Y'all, come on. I'm telling you, anytime you see me in uniform, I was excited. I came home. I was like, you know what? I'm eating girls up. I'm eating guys up, whichever you want to be, child. I'm eating them up because let's talk about it. Let's get really into it, okay? I turned off the fan, but your girl is like sweating for her life. Jesus, the Lord, please, somebody up above, talk to the devil, because ain't no way. But here we go. So if y'all already are watching this video, or if you have not, then go ahead and watch my hello. That's my dehumidifier. There's nothing I can do about that and turn it off. I could turn it off, but you know what? We're not going to cross that bridge. We're going to stay on the other side that we on. So I'm just make sure y'all hearing me and just me. So if y'all are watching this video, okay, if you're seeing this, then you're not late. Okay, well, if you're seeing this, then you are late, okay? But I paid off a good chunk, child, a big bam, bam, bam. And go ahead and watch that video. I'll link it up in the eye in the sky so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But take off my glasses so I can see. Y'all see the nails? Still a given, right? Still a given. But I paid off a big chunk of my credit card, and baby, when I paid that off, your girl was chef's kiss, okay? Excited. 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 And, accomplishment, goals, boom, boom, boom. I know when y'all saw that close out, y'all was like, she did that. She did that. I know when y'all saw that video, y'all was like, girl, why you did all that with that money? But at the end of the day, you was like, she did that. She did that. And once again, for the people in the back, I did that. Whew. Anyways, so you guys saw how much my credit card was. You guys saw how much I paid on that credit card, baby. And then if you did the numbers, boom, 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 and then you see the remainder. So the remainder was cute. She was cute, but she wasn't, impossible. Impossible. Things are happening every day. Okay, that was a little bit too much. Whatever it is. But I got a little bit of change left over that I need to work with. So here's what happened, right? So I intentionally was not paying off my credit card because I knew that I had to pay a more garage, okay, on the first. She is $1,320. Y'all seen the budget. Y'all know what's up. So I intentionally had to pay my credit card off. Intentionally did not pay off my credit card because I had to pay my mortgage, right? Responsibilities. Think about them, thought about them, and I was like, we ain't getting no hits on our credit, baby. Okay, one thing I do not do is late payment for a bill that I know I owe somebody, because the one thing I already don't like owing people, but we gonna stick with it, we gonna ride it, we gonna stand beside it, okay? So when I was making this plan, I looked on my budget, and I looked on when my bills was due. That's the thing. I made sure that I verified when my bills was due, when they was going to come out, and then how much money I was going to have in my bank account at the time that those bills were coming out. Would I get another check before those bills come out? Like, what was the ones and twos, the threes and fours, the zeros and the ones in the data system in the computer? And so I did the numbers, and I was like, we cannot pay off this credit card on the 1st of August. Like, it's not a thing. The way how my bank account is set up, I don't have money in savings, baby. It's only checking, and checking is not going to cover all of this thing. I did have the money based on the last video that you guys see that could basically wipe out my entire credit card, but I was like, no, that's not smart. Okay, smarter, not harder. And that's exactly what I was going for. So I was like, that's not smart. Don't do it, sis. Don't do it. My angel was talking to me. So I listened, pushed the devil off a little bit, and then I was like, yeah, let's hold up. But here's the thing. I have until the 16th, the 16th of every month to pay my mortgage. And it clicked. Like, I'd paid off my credit card and everything, and I was like, ooh, well, not paid off my credit card, but I paid that good little change. And I was like, I can really do this. And so I paid off, gone through that process. The day had passed when all that, you saw the video. That day had passed and all the good things. Your girl got color on her nails now. She didn't then. And I was like, wait a minute. The light bulb just clicked. And I was like, wait a minute. I have up until the 16th of every month to pay this mortgage before it's considered late. Hey, call up your mortgage people. See what they're talking about. See if they're gonna get you, squeeze you in a little bit, and then ask them, hey, how does this work? And so me and my bright idea fairy, okay, was like, we called, we verified, they confirmed. They was like, hey, you don't have to pay this until the 16th. Say less. What? Say less. I heard you the first time. Don't need to say the second time. Say less. But I did ask second time just to confirm because we like confirmations, okay? When two are gathered together, the Lord is in the midst, and two confirmation is good enough for me. So yes, I called, confirmed. It was like, we don't need to check until the 16th, and I was like, the Lord, I like this. I like the way you moving, Jesus. You moving real good. You eating. You doing it right, Lord. You doing it right. And so, I paid off that coins in like I want to say mid-July, like the 20th or something, because I got paid. Getting paid, young, and getting paid. And I got paid, and I was like, okay. And so today that I'm recording this video, I just got my check. And you know what we're about to do? Not pay off this credit card because we had already paid it off. Oh, you thought. No, I do not have to pay off this credit card because I'd already paid off my credit card. Thank you for stop talking while I was recording my video. I appreciate that. But I already paid off my credit card, y'all. So my check that I have on this first is for all the other things. I get a cute little paycheck that will cover my mortgage on the 16th, and we will pay her then. But I get to finesse all of my checks today. Well, my check on the 1st of August, because I basically paid off my credit card when y'all saw it. So when y'all thought I was going to pay it off using the money that was already in my bank account, psych, I played you just a little bit. And yeah, I paid off my credit card, all $8,500 and whatever the balance was, baby, because it was too damn much. That's what it was. But I paid it off, and I became debt free in July. I know. When I be telling these stories and doing these things, I be so extra, but I love it. Okay, I'm debt free loving it. I'm a debt free lover. And once again, y'all, while I'm in Korea and I've come here, just the air of debt freedom that comes to Korea is given. It gives every time. It hits every time. And so this is my second time here. I became debt free once I was in Korea the last time. This time I am consumer debt free while I'm in Korea. And now I just have my mortgage at my house. Like, I just have my mortgage at my house. And It's a great feeling. I don't pay for it. Oh my God. I don't pay for nothing, y'all. I don't pay for I don't pay no credit card. I don't pay I don't pay no credit card. I don't pay no car payment. I don't pay no car insurance. Yeah, I don't pay no interest on that credit card. Nothing at all. You know what I pay? Mortgage. Mortgage. And so that is it, y'all. I have my house, and that is it. And we are so grateful every time because, baby, it could have been it could have been anything, done anywhere, but God, but God, every time, but God. So shout out to Korea. This wasn't exactly a how to do it yourself, child. This was how I did it. What worked for me, and the good Lord be 10 toes down, okay, holding it down. All right. Um, my best friend would have been like, "Girl, the thing I thought about this a while ago." But yeah, y'all, I'm debt free again. Once again. This was a Kiki. This wasn't a how to. I'm sorry for anybody who came here and was like, "Girl, how you did it?" Saving challenges. Girl, how you did it? Budgeting. Girl, how you did it? Sinking funds. They literally, all of them, all three of them. Girl, how you did it? Family members that lent you $1 or two or a couple. Girl, how you did it? Them all my secrets. I budgeted my money. I did some sinking funds in them budgets. I did some saving challenges in some budgets. And then my family so happened to give me a couple coins. And so the alignment that happened, that we are glad for the little money where we get. We are glad say the Lord be blessing us to give us all the things that we need. We just appreciative of all the things. And that's how I become debt free because, oh God. Yeah, every time I go into my Jamaican accent, I have a different accent than my American accent. It's so funny to me. But yes, but God. So yeah, God, a budget, sinking funds, and saving challenges. That's how we got here. Cash envelopes too, if you want to put that with the sinking funds. But that's how we got here. So baby, if you was not budgeting, go ahead and budget because be like me. Just tell a Kiki story because you what? You debt free. Anyways, y'all, that's the video. This was probably no help to some people. This was probably just an entertainment video for you to watch, and I'm okay with that. And so, yeah. But if you did enjoy this video, subscribe because now I'm doing a debt-free budget. And yeah, we got nothing but opportunities at this point. We do have a couple more things to fit out with August now. Come on. Hello. I swear this dehumidifier hates me. But anyways, yeah, we're doing a debt-free budget at this point. We do got some couple bills we gotta pay. We still put money on our credit card because the closed out, and so we still got balance because we had stuff to do. Life was still moving, child. It was still moving and shaking, and so we still got a little thing on our credit card, but we had no interest. We paid who we owed. We had no interest, and that's what we love. So I am going to be paying off the rest of my credit card. I do got some credit card. Okay, don't come for me. Don't come for me. Just check August. Just check August. Okay, but don't come for me. August, just check me. Find out. Meet me where I'm at. Look at my address, cause it's at that Freedom Corner. Yeah, I'm a whole mess, but I just got home. I'm really excited, and I just want to tell a story. And so, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. Anybody, because we love our enemies to get blessings like these. Sprinkle a little that freedom on them. It's okay. It's okay. But yeah. Shout out to Korea every time. It hits every time. And this isn't even like I got a check. This is like I just moved. But yeah, I'm so excited and grateful. So opportunities is coming. Life is going to be lived. Okay, there's things that I'm going to be doing, and there's saving challenges and cash envelopes that needs to be filled along with sinking funds now that we made them broke. But we ain't broke, so we're good. But anyways, y'all, once again, for like the third time, thank you for watching. Thank you for coming here. Listen to my shenanigans. If you made it all the way here, give me a crown. They're my girls. Give me a crown, okay? Let me know what if you enjoyed all this. And yeah, shout out to y'all for being all the way here, and we appreciate you. We thank you. Okay, I don't know why we say we, but I appreciate you. I thank you. And I will see y'all on the next video, because otherwise I will keep talking, okay? So once again, see you in the next one. Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.